This is problem 3 in 8FA2, where we're comparing properties of two functions, each represented a different way. Here it says we've got two weather balloons were released in the air at the same time. The height of balloon 1 increased as shown in the table. So we've got a table. Let's get it so we can write here. We have a table. Okay. The height of balloon 2 increased according to the equation. So we've got an equation. We're comparing a table and an equation. The height of balloon 2 increased according to this equation, where x is time in seconds, y is height in feet. Which balloon started at a greater height? Which balloon increased at a greater rate? So we're talking about the rate of change, and we're talking about the initial height, the initial value, right? Let's take both of these. There's balloon 1 and balloon 2. We know we very careful to put them next to each other and to label them. Our equation's y is equal to 2x plus 15. We know when we're talking about a linear equation, y is equal to mx plus b. Our b is our starting point. Okay, this is where we start. Our m is our slope, our rate of change. Rate of change. Delta means change. So our starting point is at 15 on balloon 2. What's our starting point here? At 0 time, where are we starting? At 10 feet. So our B is 10 here, it's 15 feet. Which balloon started at a greater height? Balloon 2. Balloon 2 started where? Started at 15 feet. And balloon 1 started where? 10 feet. At 0 time, we're at 10 feet. Okay. Now let's see what the other question was. The other question says, which balloon's height increased at a greater rate? So we need to know the slope. This one is going up at 2 feet per second, y over x, 2 feet per second. Now, this one's going up at 2 feet per second. Let's see how fast this one's going up. To find our slope, to find our rate of change, we need to find the change in y over the change in x. Here's our x, here's our y, our change in y. 13 minus 10 over 1 minus 0. 13 minus 10 is 3 over 1. So our rate here is 3 feet per second. Which one is increasing at a greater rate? This one is going up 3 feet per second. That one's only going up 2 feet per second.